Hi guys, I'm David and this is Jeanette. Together we are Low Range 4x4 Adventures. For the last few years we have been doing some epic trips to amazing locations across Australia. Subscribe and like our videos and hit the notification bell to join us on our adventures. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram.
Morning guys, we're just leaving our little camp near Cradle Mountain. We had an absolutely amazing day yesterday at Cradle Mountain. The weather was absolutely perfect. We climbed all the way up. I think we did over 20 k's of walking. We're all suffering a little bit today. Legs are sore, feet are sore, etc. But we decided we're going to head back towards Devonport. We're going to sort a couple of things out over there.
We actually have another problem with the car.
Yes.
So we have a hole in the condenser. No?
A hole in the intercooler.
It's a bit annoying. So hopefully we can sort it out. But so we were going to do a helicopter flight this morning over Cradle Mountain, but we sort of discussed that a bit. There's a couple of other places that you can do helicopter flights down here, and obviously, you know, it is quite expensive. So we might come back to Cradle Mountain later and do the helicopter flight, or we might just do one somewhere else or do both, see how the budget's going.
See how we go.
Yeah, but we need to fill up with water, have a shower.
Yeah.
It's so cool to swim in the lake this morning, and get some internet service so we can do some research and get the car sorted, and yeah, make a couple of phone calls. So we're where are we heading?
Devonport way.
Yeah.
Not a failure on the intercooler. Unfortunately, something has come disconnected or whatever and rubbed on the intercooler and put a hole in it. So
Yeah.
I'm not really sure how it happened. But, yeah.
So we'll try Devonport first, and if not, we'll head over to, if we can't get sorted there, we might have to head over to Launceston. But I guess that's the good thing about Tassie, everything's pretty close together, so and we can chop and change our plans a bit. We haven't booked into anything yet, but we did find out yesterday that we might have to start making phone calls and looking into some of the
some of the things we want to do, like the Heritage Railway, Western, and the bits and pieces. Some of those things you got to book in advance because they're just so popular this time of year. So
yeah. No.
All right, guys. Well, we will keep you informed of what's going on, and
Yeah, it might be a bit of a zigzag tour around
we'll see what
Tassie.
happens.
Good morning, everyone. So last night we stayed at Old Mac's Farm Stay, which is just outside of Launceston. We managed to source is it an intercooler, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're picking up an intercooler this morning. So Dave, what are you doing?
I'm undoing
That's not where the intercooler goes.
No, I'm undoing the front seat bolts so I can tip the seat back a bit and get our jump pack out from under the seat. Because for some reason our battery is so flat that I can't do anything with the car. I think I left something on last night.
He actually knows exactly what he did. He left the selfie on, so...
Or I think I left it on. But I hope that's what it is.
Yeah, hopefully we haven't got another problem. Met quite a few local people which have come down from Launceston just to spend the couple of days here. They love it. They gave us some tips of where to go, what we could do around the place. So yeah, actually everyone here has been so super friendly. They are just lovely people in Tassie, and very willing to help, very willing to tell you like different places to go and things like that. They've been absolutely amazing. So thank you to all those people that have been giving us suggestions and just being friendly, offering to help us out if we need to go and get more parts when we're fixing the car. So just really nice, genuine people. So Dave's just spent all that time trying to get the charger out from under the seat, and the car's just started. It's just got power all of a sudden again, so maybe something else is about to die.
I don't think so. Oh.
Starter motor. No, there's no clicking.
No, it had no power.
Yeah.
Anyway, no matter.
Oh well, we'll see how far we get.
I'll put the jump back somewhere where I can reach it. It's good because it's got a little Velcro on the back of it, so it'll sit on the carpet floor really nicely.
Yeah. Alright, put the car back together. Hey guys, so we've been out this morning and Dave's got the... Oh, what's that bloody thing called?
Intercooler.
Intercooler.
New intercooler, it's in the box.
Yeah, intercooler for the car, so he's starting to pull things apart.
Which is kind of scary.
Yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to get him another container so he doesn't lose his nuts. So while he was out grabbing a few bits and pieces, I done the laundry. So I guess I'll just take an opportunity today to give everything a bit of a tidy up, put things back where they're meant to be, because as you go along you kind of just shove things in anywhere, and when you can't find anything. We've only been here, what, 5 days? So
We
yeah.
need to get into a routine of putting shit where it goes.
Yeah.
Otherwise we're going to be constantly cleaning up after it.
It does make life a lot easier. So I've got to answer some emails, so we've got some service, do a few other bits and pieces, so it'll just be a bit of a catch up on things day. And yeah, later on we'll show you around the farm. We've seen some little rabbits this morning. There's a foal here, so we'll go and yeah, have a look at the animals too. Alright, we'll get stuck into this. Okay, so Dave's got the intercooler out. That didn't actually take very long. What?
No.
Oh, you did pull a few bits and pieces off yesterday, but yeah, this is a damage here.
That's where all my boost has been going. Out that hole. No boost. No boost. Lots of black smoke. So
yeah, the car's been very sooty.
yeah.
So yeah, we'll whack this new one in and we should be good to go again.
Hopefully.
So
alright, we'll have a look at the new one. So this is the new one. OEM replacement, factory. Comes with all the bushes and all the bits and pieces. Leave the caps on obviously until you get it in place, ready to put your hoses back on. Minimise any dirt getting in there. I mean, they all get a little bit of oil through them, so. But yeah, there you go.
do you know which way around it goes?
No way.
Ah, very good.
It won't fit that way.
Oh. Alright.
Alright, I might just grab a brush and clean off some of the bugs and crap that are there while I've got an opportunity. Brush. So that's a brand new condenser too. We had a aircon issue. The previous condenser had a tiny little pinhole down in the bottom corner that was leaking a few weeks ago. But
I think someone may have replaced it with a very cheap condenser at some stage, but anyhow, we'll leave that alone. Yes. Okay, so honey, you're finished. Car runs. I had it running before.
No shush.
No
No
whoosh.
whoosh. No leaks.
No leaks. No black smoke.
No.
Not any more than normal. Any bits left over?
No.
No?
Well, one little broken bit of plastic, but
Okay.
not much I can do about that.
So yeah, all back together. Happy days. Okay, so it is 8:08 and this is train number 2. We only had 2 trains last night, but
Might be the same guy.
Tuesday night must be a bit busier. We'll get a 2.
Oh, he's hauling ass.
Give it away. Whip it. wait, he didn't see.
3 locos.
Good morning, everyone. We're just going to take you for a bit of a walk around Old Mac's farm this morning. So Old Mac's farm is open from, I'm just looking at the brochure so I know I get this right, October to the end of May each year. There's heaps of little campsites here near a lake, so you basically just drive in, pick your campsite, and then go up to a little hut and pay, and you can do bank transfer or pay cash. There's toilets, but it is a long walk up to the toilets, and there's also a lot of hoses around where you can refill water tanks for $2. They work on a little honesty system, just place your money in the box. And there's a little car wash facility, which is, I think it's $4, another honesty system too, where you just pop a few dollars in there to pay for your car wash. So we're going to go for a little walk around the farm. Also, you can bring animals here, like your dogs, just need to be on a leash. So yeah, let's go and have a look. Hey guys, so we left Launceston around lunchtime today. We just popped into Coles, stocked up on a few groceries, and we had to call over into ARB. There's a little issue with the link system, which they're just going to supply a part for, and we'll pick that up in Burnie and get it all sorted. So we've picked our little camp spot here. Dave's
at Leven Gorge
and
Leven Canyon.
Leven Canyon. So
Net back in here.
Yeah, but we didn't record that. Not when I get it right. The clutch is a bit smelly, but anyway. So yeah, we're going to set up here and we'll do some exploring around Leven Canyon the next day or so. Probably take us a day, and I know there's also some caves around here which we may go and look at as well. We'll just do a little bit of research and see what's around, but we're going to sign this one off. So,
yep.
What do people, we would like you to give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, what's the do's it, and ring the bell, something like that. How was that?
No.
That was terrible.
No, it's like, please subscribe if you're enjoying what we're doing, hit the notification bell and throw us a thumbs up, and comments and questions, guys, send them through and we'll get back to you.
And any cool places to go in Tassie, or you want us to check them out, let us know, because yeah, we're just kind of winging it at the moment. We have no real plan.
No.
So,
But we are heading
yeah.
to the West Coast, so West Coast
Yeah.
full drive tracks and that hopefully soon. So
Yeah.
keen
So
as.
yeah, the plan is to go down the west and then up the east and then whatever else after that. So we'll probably zigzag back and forth a bit. So yeah. All right, guys, stay safe. Welcome to our new subscribers. Thank you for coming on board. And thank you for the other ones who have stuck around. We really appreciate you guys. And yeah, have a great week.
Catch you on the next one.
See ya.